If you're seeing a Base44 Basestation error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way to troubleshoot it and get things working again. This is a simple process you can follow inside your browser, and it can help you spot what's breaking, test a fix, and then roll everything back safely if needed. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open the page where the error is happening. Then press F12 on your keyboard to open the developer tools. Once the tools are open, click over to the console tab. This is where browser errors, warnings, and script issues usually show up, and it's the fastest place to start when something is not loading correctly. Take a look through the console and check whether there are any red errors or obvious messages pointing to the issue. If you do see an error, copy the details or read the message carefully so you know what needs to be fixed. Next, use the AI chat to help resolve the problem. Paste in the error information and describe what is happening as clearly as possible. The goal here is to let the AI suggest a fix based on the console issue you found. After that, apply the suggested resolution and test whether the Basestation error is gone. If the change doesn't work or you want to undo it, go back and click the revert button under the last prompt. That will roll back the most recent action, which is helpful if the AI suggestion made the problem worse or if you just want to return to the previous state. Once you've reverted, switch the chat into discuss mode. This is the part where you can talk through the issue more interactively and try a different approach without immediately applying changes. Then test it again to see if everything is working properly. Keep an eye on the page and the console to confirm the error is no longer appearing. This step-by-step process is a smart way to troubleshoot the Base44 Basestation error because it helps you diagnose the issue, test a fix, and safely undo it if needed. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.